This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Acura MDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.